Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. This is my midterm learning log in week 7 and week 12. But this morning, I will share to you one of the things that I have learned from this week. So, first is the discussion why the teachers be concerned with the intellectual property issue like copyright and fair use. Because we know that copyright is a copyright grants the creator or the owner of the copyright control over the use of his work, and this copyright cannot be used freely without any permission of the owner because it is his work. So he has the authority. And whenever we use this copyright, we need to ask permission or to use and copy the work freely, or we need to pay to use his work. That's the copyright. And the fair use is anything copywriting or copyrighted materials done in a limited transformative purpose. Such uses can be done without permission from the copyrighted owners because sometimes the, the teachers we are using some reliable sources, but we will not copy all, but just only a short clip in order our our lessons be more effective from the students. And in order to be safe, we can use the public domain because we know that public domain is not subject to the copyrighted, and they are freely used to create new materials. And these public domains, they are some of these are the copyrighted expiries that which is not formally maintained. And some creators, they are dedicated their work to the public domain before the copyrighted expiries. That is why it is good to know this copyrighted in the fair use and the public domain in order to know our restriction and to be effective our learning. And the second one is the discussion which among the instructional design tips of an effective e-learning you most likely to adopt in developing your instructional materials. The things that I have choose from this adapted developing instructional materials is the 7 instructional design tips for effective e-learning, the e-learning in the schools because it we can we can use some meaningful images that would help our student to to learn more, and also the design which is not destructive freely template, and we ensure that there is enough white space, not only they're just putting there, and also to break up the content, use colors wisely or intelligently, or, and maintain consistency, and ensure that our learners stay focused, that what we have, the things that we develop from this instructional materials is are being we're not instructed, but instead it's all are related from each other. And not only that, that I have learned is also the discussion which among the technology tools, features in the links provided to you find most interesting and why. The technology tools that provided to me the most interesting is the Kahoot because I love playing games, and Kahoot is a game-based learning platform, and which it is very good used as educational technology in schools, and it's learning games. It provided multiple choice quizzes that can be accessed by a web or browser or the Kahoot app, and it is also best for just like we are studying because we can study more in order because this game also they have a ranking. If you just like when you are wrong, then you will be down. Then if you answer fastly, then you have a highest rank. Just like this ranking, and it is good to encourage the students also to play this Kahoot for the purpose of the educational learning purposes. And thank you also for Sir John Up for teaching us professionally. Thank you, sir. And I hope and pray that God will use you mightily, and also the ministry that you have that God entrusted to you. Thank you, and once again, To God be all the glory.